In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to delete Cash App activity history. So, concerning deleting your app activity history, Cash App doesn't provide a direct way to do it, so I am going to show you instead on how to delete personal information from Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your device and tap on the profile icon located in the top left or top right corner. Look for and tap on the support option in the menu. In the support section, you'll find account and settings. Tap on it to proceed. Within the account and settings menu, look for the option labeled Delete Your Personal Information and tap on this option to start the process of deleting your personal data. Scroll down to the bottom of the screen and look for the chat link located beneath the Contact Us section. Tap on the chat link to initiate a chat with Cash App support. In the chat, explain that you wish to delete your Cash App account along with your personal information, including transaction history. Or just explain that you need to delete your personal information or your transaction history without the account deletion. Follow the instructions provided by the Cash App support team to complete the account clearing process. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.